My name is Chris McCauley. I'm a lead commercial foreman for Valley-Wide Glass. My daily duties are to supervise job sites, make sure that they're on schedule, on time. When you pick up a MOLI window and you operate it and you work their doors, when you open the windows back and forth, when you latch them shut, everything is very precise. In my 25 years of experience, I've never seen anything like it. It's a very high-end product. You can feel it. I would recommend MOLI for commercial and residential. The overall product is going to save you a boatload of money at the end of the day when you install these windows into your home or commercial building. The amount of money that you're going to save annually on your air conditioning and heating bills is going to be phenomenal. The windows are so well built and so well sealed that I don't think there's anything on the market right now that can really compete. You have windows that are kind of similar, but the quality is they're just not on the same level. They're just not.
These windows are clearly crafted to a level beyond anything I've ever seen. If you look at a cut-off piece of these, there's so much going into making these windows the best that they can possibly be. The engineering, the specs are incredible. This is a window unlike anything I've ever seen. My name is Carter. I'm an industrial engineering student at ASU, and I just recently got involved with MOLI Window Company. To start, these windows are clearly something special. They're 4 panes, there's all sorts of thermal breaks in there. They don't let heat from the sun in, they keep the cold air inside, they don't condensate. All these things that you don't normally think about as a window needing to do, these windows do it. I've been doing a ton of research for this project on competing window brands and the specs and the prices and the lead times. And from a construction perspective, even if this window costed more than competitors, which it doesn't, the lead time is lower. You can get them quicker, you can get them into the project sooner. And that alone is a cost saver and gets projects out the door quicker. We talk about sustainability so much as using less power and more than that, producing power. Every commercial building in a big city is covered bottom to top in windows. And if every one of those windows was a MOLI window and had all this technology and all this engineering built in to keep the cold air in and the hot air out, we would spend less on energy and we would use less energy. And as far as building a future, that's really important. It would be a huge step towards zero-sum power use.